Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Taanushree channel. Today we will see DSUM function in CalC. आज हम देखेंगे DSUM function CalC में किस तरह से इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. Syntax of DSUM function is DSUM, then database, then data field, then search criteria. DSUM function, उसके बाद database, उसके बाद data field और एक search criteria है. So we have a sample database this, and search criteria is the distance which is greater than 0. So let's take an example and find out the solution. हम एक example लेंगे और इसका solution निकालते हैं. Equals to dsum, then database. Database is this. Search criteria is what? Data field is what? Data field is distance. So distance, and then search criteria. Search criteria is this. So the output is 6000. अभी हम यहाँ पे भी चेक कर लेते, देखो. So that's all friend. Thanks for watching.